onto island nature. So, here comes a fabulous creation if you'd like to join me on stage. This amazing outfit is by Tilly Black and Deb Chikiris and the lovely model Mia. Thank you, darling. It's gorgeous. So our design combines mosses, lichen and fungi, Australian bottle brush, wattle silver dollar eucalypt, blue monarch butterfly and guinea fowl plumage. Individually, these elements symbolize rebirth, renewal, hope, transformation and resilience, the same attributes that have shaped our land and its peoples. Our visual elements are colour, form and texture. We have encapsulated this theme by means of recycling, renewing and transforming fabrics, threads and fibres and everyday items into art, using stressed lace, beads, sequins, silk lace thread and wire and ordinary bottle washers sprayed in beautiful red colours with a variety of stitch work to create the individual elements of our creation.